With Dermatude Metatherapy, you can turn back the biological clock. By stimulating the collagen and elastin in the skin, Dermatude Metatherapy improves the overall skin condition from within. Your skin does the work itself.
Young clients who already have some wrinkles can receive the treatments, as well as clients with deep wrinkles. Also, scars and acne are treatable. After 2 treatments, you get some results, and from that moment on, it only gets better.
The outcome is remarkable. Their skin is more toned and wrinkles are far less noticeable. They look younger without invasive facelifts or injections. The before and after results are amazing.
You can immediately see that the skin looks fresh and is fuller. Because of the beauty mask, the redness of the skin slowly fades. This makes the skin look healthy.
You can achieve such beautiful results. From a small wrinkle up to a big frown, you can reduce every type of wrinkle. I think it is amazing. It's my most booked treatment.
Dermatude, the facelift alternative.